Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the Technical Trader. It's Monday, the 11th of January, and these are the charts of the day. Today, 16 stocks will be reviewed, half of them Chinese, as usual, with most of the growth stocks we've been following. A lot of them are market leaders in the Chinese sector. Starting off with ARST, ARST, stock we've had on a Fab 40 list for quite a while. As you can see, this trend has been in place for a year now, very strong one. But recently the stock came down, moved back up, retested, and formed kind of a cup and handle, broke out, and over the last 6 days formed a beautiful bull flag. I think this stock looks like it's going to explode and run higher. My initial trading target is around 31.5, 3/4. Beyond that, the longer term target is up in the low 40s, and I think that could be obtainable, but may take some time. Secondly is biofuel energy, a stock I've liked for a while, but really started to look good lately as this falling wedge formed. Low volume ebb at the end of December, broke out last week, pulled back and then flagged for 3 days above the moving average before today's price volume surge on 1.3 million, broke it out. Technical surge, price and volume surge. It's up against its early December highs, but a move through here should get it quickly to 35.50 zone, and beyond that, something around the $7 level is definitely attainable in my mind. China Automotive Systems continues to be a monster, having moved from about the $2 level up to 26 over the course of last year. This declining top line was recently broken. A little mini flag occurred, broke out on Friday, and followed through today, another $1.87 or 7.6%. The stock is at the top of the channel as I've drawn it in, so there could be some resistance up here. But if my guess is right, I think these stocks are going to accelerate into a spike up that could take this into the low to mid 30s. So we'll see what occurs. CAGC, a similar action, platform breakout flag, and then 2 days higher. We're at the top of the longer term channel, and not far from the top of the more sharply rising channel as volume is accelerating. Looks like this could, if it does break through the top of this channel, this may be a pivotal area for it, could move into the low to mid 40s short term. CGA is another Chinese play that has been up fantastically all year. Moves up, consolidated, moves up, consolidated, move up again, and now it's consolidating. Came out of this little down channel it's been in for December after retesting the trend line and moving averages, and then bounced, went back up to the moving averages, pulled back, and today popped 86 cents or 5% more. Looks like if it gets to the 18 3/4, 19 zone, it's a stock that could reach the low 20s pretty quickly, and maybe even up towards 30 on a longer term basis. Portfolio position, Continue Care, having a good time of it lately. After consolidating for the last couple 3 weeks, broke out today with a strong personal volume and technicals, and looks like it could be headed towards the 550 area pretty quickly. Beyond that, since this is all-time high territory and 12-year highs, potentially something up towards the $8 level is next, and then beyond that in the low teens, back from 96. That's a long time back, may not have as much weight, but the channel certainly is looking pretty good here. CYD broke out of a beautiful bull coil over the last 6 weeks, and last week made the break. It's been following through, and then blew through resistance yesterday and today, up another 99 cents, 5%. But the top of the channel measures up towards the 28 area, and I would not be surprised to see it get to the mid-20s and then maybe the high 20s a little bit longer term. EXII, Energy 21 Bermuda Limited, had a fantastic session today, jumping 40%, up $1.05. As you can see, the breakaway gap broke out of this entire 2-3 month base with a price volume surge. I'm looking for an extended move here. There is some resistance just above around 4, but I think this is a $6 or $7 stock down the road, and maybe not too far down the road. FIRE, Source Fire, after breaking out of the basing period, has had run steadily. It backed off, but today popped 70 cents and looks like it's ready to resume its rise. The mid-channel resistance up around the 32 area may be tested, but longer term, I'm looking for something around the high 30s, very, very potentially. Smart Heat, HEAT, also a very strong Chinese stock. After breaking out of the coil, has been moving steadily. Today up another 88 cents or 5%. on 2 million shares, and looks like the top of the channel at around 21 maybe tested short term. That's my short-term target. And if it takes out the top of that channel, it could accelerate into the mid to high 20s before it's all over. HITK, featuring that today because of the beautiful coil that's developed. It's an ascending coil. Flat tops around the 29.5 area. If taken out, could lead to a very quick move up into the 32.5, 33 zone, and then 40 plus on an intermediate basis. HPJ, Hong Kong, high power technology, also broke out of a coil recently, has been moving steadily higher, up another 87 cents or nearly 10% today to new multi-year highs, it appears. Yep, a new all-time high. And the top of the channel now measures about 12.5. That's my short-term trading target. Candy, KNDI, acting very well. Although it was off 2 cents today and broke a string of 7 consecutive gaining sessions, it did make a new high today at 6.75. That's a 2-year high. Top of the channel, long-term channel up around the 7 3/4 area is what I have targeted for this move. Maybe even as high as 8 plus. We'll see if it gets beyond that. I'm looking for 9, 10 range, something of that nature. Big move recently in PEIX as the stock exploded out of this pennant or coil and ran from a nearly tripling in value in just 2-3 sessions. Heavy volume at 52 million shares traded today. Stock looks like it has more to go potentially. Momentum is strong. Looking for a move to the 3, 3.5, maybe 4, 4.25 area, something of that nature short term. And then Seed had a huge session today after Fidelity announced filing of their 13D. The stock, which had popped up and then pulled back and flagged above the moving averages, exploded for about 2.5 points just in the last 45, 50 minutes of the day. A big volume and closed near the high for the day, going away up to 34. And that's right at its December 1st high, right in this range. So we could be seeing the advent of a huge explosive move that takes this first to the 17, 18 zone, and then beyond that, 20 or 20 plus, maybe 21, 22 area. Lastly, TASR. TASR, a portfolio position as well. After 1 year base, is exploding here. Ran up to the resistance level, backed up gently, and then came on today, exploded for another 63 cents, or 11%, on nearly 4.7 million. I expect to fall through tomorrow. Over the next couple of days, it gets it up towards the 6 3/4 area, and a takeout of that could lead to something up around 8. There you go for today. Those are our charts of the day, and have a good week.